Hello. My name is Pat, and I'm here to tell you about Marine Air Conditioners, Marine Air Conditioning System.
Marine air conditioner is also the same as the other conditioners available in today's market.
It involves almost in all the fields.
They are designed by the Domestic Environment Corporation, which was developed by TaylorMade Group.
This uses the HVAC system of cooling the temperature.
It maintains a constant temperature once it is regulated.
Advantages and disadvantages.
It has made the marine air conditioners more adaptable and easy to install.
Marine air conditioning helps in controlling the temperature and to maintain the quality of the air.